Hey guys, we just dropped our brand new knee and hip pain ear seed kits, and they come in stainless steel ear seeds variety or the 24 karat gold with Swarovski crystal variety pack. And I wanted to share with you why we created this kit and why it's so effective. So there was a research study out of Taiwan to see if ear seeds can help those with post-operative knee pain due to degenerative arthritis of the knee. Serious stuff, right? And then there was another study in Austria that evaluated the use of ear seeds to treat hip pain and fracture. Overall, the groups that received the ear seeds had less pain and less need for pain-relieving drugs than the non-ear seed group. Great starting points for knee pain would be the knee joint, which is located right up over here on your ear. And for hip pain, a great starting point would be the hip joint point located right over there. And although these research studies used very few auricular points, with our knee and hip pain kit, we added some extra points that have been shown to further help these conditions that can be very useful for more complicated cases.